Understanding Senior Day Deals, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, Senior Day Deals. This is a common term you might encounter in shopping contexts, especially in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it. Senior Day Deals is a phrase composed of three words, each carrying a specific meaning. 1. Senior. This typically refers to older adults, usually those who are 60 or 65 years of age and above. 2. Day. This part of the phrase indicates that the deals or offers are available on a specific day. 3. Deals. This refers to special offers, discounts, or promotions. When combined, Senior Day Deals refers to special offers or discounts available to senior citizens on a specific day. These deals are commonly found in retail stores, where seniors might get a discount on products, restaurants, offering special menu prices, services, like cheaper movie tickets or salon services. They are a way for businesses to show appreciation to the senior community and are usually advertised in store flyers, websites, or through signs at the business location. Understanding this phrase is important for two reasons. 1. Cultural insight. It reflects a societal respect and care for the elderly. 2. Practical use. If you are a senior or accompanying one, knowing about these deals can help you save money. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, Senior Day Deals. It's a great example of how language can reflect cultural values, in this case, respect for the elderly. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our next video.